Focus karna. Hey guys, my name is Garvit Narula and today we're going to unbox the newly released OnePlus 6 in the mirror black colorway. Let's go. So I've always been an iPhone user in the past. I've been using the iPhone 6s for over 3 years now. And it was mainly due to the reason that I had the entire Apple ecosystem set up for me. Now that was because I could use my notes from the phone which could get synced on the laptop right there. I could have reminders set in the phone which would go to all my other devices, and I could receive calls as well. But it's been around 4 years since I've been using the iPhone and I thought it's time for a change.
It's time for change. 4 change. 4 years is equal to 4 change. 4. Get it? Good.
So here we have today the OnePlus 6 and we're going to unbox it right now in front of you. Let's go for it. So we're going to use a brilliant knife which is basically from my kitchen. The last time I actually did something like this, it took a lot of goddamn effort. Is this going to take that much effort? Let's go. And there we have the plastic off from the bottom. Let's open this thing up now. This is taking too long. God damn it, open it. And this is a... Let's take it out now. What? Okay, setting that aside, I thought the phone would come out, not the entire box. But inside, we have the normal dash charger. The dash charging gives basically a day's performance in just 30 minutes of charging. It's USB-C, and here we have a Type-C cable, Type A to Type-C. Pretty simple stuff. Looks like it's supposed to be opened up here, and it does open. Beautiful sound. Here we have a SIM ejector tool as well as a transparent case. Protection, guys. So let's get started.
Two hours later.
Alright, that was formal enough for an entire decade. Let's just take this off now. That was fun. So now that I'm completely done setting up the phone, let's talk about a couple of interesting features that the phone has. Number 1, this phone is actually waterproof. Now it's not officially mentioned anywhere, like there's no actual IP67 rating or IP68 rating that proves it's wireless. Like it's not an actual rating that's been given to it. There's no IP67 or 68 rating that says it's completely waterproof. Now something really different which I've noticed, which other YouTubers haven't exactly covered in their videos, are the stickers included in the box. Now this is the OnePlus 6 box, and when you open the box, inside are hidden proper Apple-like stickers. Once I get the goddamn box open. So right above this SIM ejection tool, you'll find the booklet, which you can just take out by doing this. And once that's out, you have basically 2 of these books that you get along with it, and at the end are a bunch of stickers that have never been shown on camera before. Check these out for yourself. Now you need to note that since this phone is basically waterproof, you can actually take it in the shower. Now I don't know why you'd want to take a phone into the shower. Whatever suits you. I mean, of course, there's got to be a pretty good reason you want to take it in the shower, isn't there? One very simple feature that I found on this phone, which the iPhone X doesn't have, and that's a flagship up there. Like that's up there. It's a $1,000 phone, this is a $500 phone. And this has something the iPhone doesn't. It's the fingerprint reader. It's so simple and so much faster than face unlocking iPhone. Just keep it there without like making bezels out of it. Such a simple feature to remove, that's not props to you, Apple. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the OnePlus 6. Do you like it? Do you think it's worth it? If it is, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do all sorts of weird shit on this channel, whatever I like actually. There is no actual theme to this channel, is there?